everyone! Welcome to my channel. Are you curious about today's recipe? Okay, why not I'm gonna tell about today's menu, which is potato ball stick. Ingredients: mash the boiled potato. Properly mash it, please. Corn flour. Black pepper. Chaat masala. Mix the material proper. You can use hand for proper mixing. Take a pan, burn the stew and heat the oil. On other side, made a potato balls. You can use this snack for lunchbox. Now fry in hot oil. Fry it just for 5 to 10 minutes. You can fry when its color turns into brown. Very tasty recipe, try at home. Tasty ball stick is ready.